Question number 1. The most common position of the fetus during delivery is. Correct answer is option D, cephalic. Question number 2. Which drug is commonly used for the management of anaphylaxis? Correct answer is option A, adrenaline. Question number 3. The safe drug for reducing fever in children is. Correct answer is option C, paracetamol. Question number 4. The defense mechanism in which a person refuses to accept reality is called. Correct answer is option B, denial. Question number 5. The therapeutic communication technique that involves resuscitating the patient word is. Correct answer is option A, paraphrasing. Question number 6. The incubation period of measles is approximately. Correct answer is option C, 10 to 14 days. Question number 7. Which vital sign is considered the most reliable indicator of a patient's overall health? Correct answer is option D, oxygen saturation. Question number 8. The most effective way to prevent the spread of infection is. Correct answer is option C, hand washing. Question number 9. The total duration of a normal labor process is divided into how many stages? Correct answer is option C, 4. Question number 10. The vaccine given at birth to prevent hepatitis B is called. Correct answer is option C, hepatitis B vaccine. Question number 11. The primary goal in the management of a burn patient during the first 24 hours is. Correct answer is option C, fluid resuscitation. Question number 12. The most common cause of death in children under 5 years globally is. Correct answer is option B, pneumonia. Question number 13. Ectopic pregnancy most commonly occurs in the. Correct answer is option C, fallopian tube. Question number 14. The number of live births per 1,000 people in a year is called. Correct answer is option A, birth rate. Question number 15. The most common side effect of opioid anaphylaxis is. Correct answer is option B, constipation. Question number 16. The best position for a patient in respiratory distress is. Correct answer is option B, semi-flowers. Question number 17. When performing hand hygiene, the minimum duration for hand washing with soap and water is. Correct answer is option B, 20 seconds. Question number 18. A patient with right-sided heart failure is most likely to have. Correct answer is option C, peripheral edema. Question number 19. The ideal spacing between two pregnancies for maternal and child health is. Correct answer is option C, 18 to 24 months. Question number 20. The drug of choice for treating an acute asthma attack is. Correct answer is option A, salbutamol. Question number 21. The maximum daily dose of paracetamol in adult is. Correct answer is option C, 4 gram. Question number 22. A deficiency of vitamin D can lead to. Correct answer is option B, rickets. Question number 23. Which vital sign is considered the most reliable indicator of a patient overall health? Correct answer is option D, oxygen saturation. Question number 24. In a patient with a fever, the most appropriate site for temperature measurement is. Correct answer is option C, rectal. Question number 25. The most reliable indicator of fetal well-being during labor is. Correct answer is option B, fetal heart rate. Question number 26. The Moro reflex in a newborn typically disappears by. Correct answer is option B, 4 months. Question number 27. A diet high in sodium is most likely to cause. Correct answer is option A, hypertension. Question number 28. The term for the body's ability to maintain a stable internal environment is. Correct answer is option A, homeostasis. Question number 28. The drug of choice for treating an acute myocardial infarction is. Correct answer is option A, aspirin. Question number 30. A patient with iron deficiency anemia should consume foods rich in. Correct answer is option C, iron. Question number 31. The term for difficulty breathing while lying flat is. Correct answer is option B, orthopnea. Question number 32. The most common electrolyte imbalance in a patient with renal failure is. Correct answer is option A, hyperkalemia. Question number 33. Which class of drug is commonly used to treat hypertension? Correct answer is option B, beta blockers. Question number 34. What is the richest source of vitamin C? Correct answer is option B, orange. Question number 35. What is the birth weight of a healthy newborn? Correct answer is option C, 2.5 to 4 kg. Question number 36. Which antibiotic is commonly used for urinary tract infections? Correct answer is option B, sulforafloxacin. Question number 37. What term is used for listening to the heart sounds? Correct answer is option D, esculation. Question number 38. Which substance is almost completely reabsorbed by the kidneys during filtration? Correct answer is option B, glucose. Question number 39. The best site for checking the pulse in an emergency is. Correct answer is option C, carotid artery. Question number 40. What is the term for the first milk produced after childbirth? Correct answer is option A, colostrum. Question number 41. What is the primary cause of neonatal jaundice? Correct answer is option A, hemolysis. Question number 42. What is the most common treatment for bipolar disorder? Correct answer is option A, lithium. Question number 43. Which vitamin deficiency causes night blindness? Correct answer is option D, vitamin A. Question number 44. The normal range for caloric blood glucose level in a fasting state is. Correct answer is option A, 70 to 99 mg over dl. Question number 45. The condition in which the umbilical cord present ahead of the fetus during delivery is called. Correct answer is option A, cord prolapse. Question number 46. The primary hormone responsible for the maintenance of pregnancy is. Correct answer is option B, progesterone. Question number 47. The most common childhood vaccine preventable disease is. Correct answer is option B, measles. Question number 48. The most effective method of preventing the spread of communicable disease is. Correct answer is option B, hand hygiene. Question number 49. The new trend that helps in the healing of wounds is. Correct answer is option C, protein. Question number 50. The term used for a woman who has never been pregnant is. Correct answer is option B, nulliferous.